Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna be making a keto enchilada that is so easy. Beginners can do it. You don't have to make your own tortillas, but they're only 1 carb per enchilada. Wanna know how I make it? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so I do have a chicken green chili enchilada recipe that I have posted. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the cards somewhere over there and also in the description box of this video so that you can see that if you want to make your own homemade tortillas and then do green chicken chili enchiladas. Those are great. But I discovered something at Costco. These are egg thins. They're made with egg whites and cauliflower, and they have nutrition facts. They're 8 calories each, and there are 0 total carbs. 8 calories, 0 carbs. 0 carbs. So they're not huge. You can see on the back, here's my hand. They're not big, so they're going to make smaller enchiladas. But this is why there's only 1 carb, and that's if you're using whatever seasoning in your ground beef and cheese. And then if you top it with, I put olives on mine and sour cream, so I'm kind of giving it 1 carb, but really it might not even be that. I'm just gonna go with the 1 carb. So if you eat like 4 of these for dinner, 4 carbs, and it's fantastic. So I'm gonna take you into my kitchen and show you how I make these. Now, they're delicate but sturdy enough to hold some filling, and don't be off-put by the smell when you first open it up. It kind of smells like an egg mixed with cauliflower, and you're like, whoa, that's strong. But that smell dissipates within seconds of you opening these, and they taste like nothing when you have them baked in enchilada sauce and cheese and meat and all that kind of stuff. You can make breakfast burritos out of these. You can make shredded chicken enchiladas or shredded beef enchiladas or whatever you want to put in these things. They're fantastic. So let's go in the kitchen and see how we make these. Take a look. Okay, I've just got some ground beef and this extra fancy taco seasoning, which I love because it has 0 carbs. Some of the other Ortega ones have carbs, so I like to use this one. It's pretty salty and spicy, so just add a little at a time and mix it all in to your liking. I found mine at Kroger, if I didn't already say that. Super good. I'm gonna add more of it here, mix it all in. My dog is prancing in the background. Okay, I use sharp cheddar cheese, some sliced olives, and the famous egg thins from Costco, as well as some red enchilada sauce. You can use green, you can use whatever you want. So put some in the bottom of the pan and mix it all around. That will help your enchiladas to not stick to the bottom of the pan after they are cooked. And then I'm going to open up these egg thins. They come 12 to a package, no net carbs. This one actually had 13 in it, so I got a bonus one. Woohoo! Extra enchilada. Again, don't be afraid of the smell. That dissipates. So they're real thin and a little bit delicate, but they definitely can hold the filling. So for me on this recipe, I'm using the seasoned ground beef and sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm just going to put it down the middle, and then I'm going to fold it over. Now when you fold it over, as you'll see here, I'm going to fold the middles together, but then I'm going to pinch the ends together at each end real carefully, just so that the filling stays in. There I go, pinch the ends, and then I'm gonna turn it over and lay it seam side down on the pan. And then I'm just going to repeat this process until all of them are done. Should make 12. This one made 13. Bonus. All right, so then I'm just gonna top it with the rest of the sauce, the rest of the cheese, and some black olives. Then you're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Oh, look at that. Oh, so good. try these, you guys. So you're gonna wanna let this sit for about 10 minutes to kind of firm back up. And then it's dinner time. Okay, you guys, again, found these at Costco. They are with the meats and cheeses in the refrigerated section of the back of Costco, and they're such a huge find. You can freeze them. I buy them 2 at a time. They come in packs of 2, so I'll cut it down the middle and then just freeze them individually. They don't take very long to defrost at all. You can throw them out for half a day, they're good. And so then they stay for a really long time, and I just love them. Each pack comes with 12. As you saw in the video, I got 13, so I got a bonus one out of one of those packages. And everybody loved them in my family. And it really, all you taste is the flavor of whatever you're putting into these things, especially when you put a sauce over them. They hold together in the baking process. They don't get mushy and fall apart, so you can actually cut into it like a regular enchilada and eat them. So good. Check these out at Costco. Gotta love me some Costco. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody who is also following a low carb lifestyle and might be interested in these types of videos. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, so if I've earned a subscription, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I post a video. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.